Hi everyone. Welcome to Level Up Dividends channel. In today's video, I present a list of 11 stocks that offer a minimum dividend yield of 15%. These stocks are not the safest stocks in the market. Remember that in general, the higher the dividend yield, the riskier the stock. However, I really think some stocks of the list are worth having a closer look at because they have been paying huge dividends for a while and don't seem to be cutting them anytime soon. I will tell you about my favorite. Now, let's get into it. Stock 1, Invesco Mortgage Capital. The dividend yield of this stock is a stunning 18.78%. Dividend safety, 40. The company hasn't increased its dividend so far. This is no surprise for me and it doesn't hurt when it already yields almost 19%. Payout ratio, 36%. This is a low payout ratio. It means that the company doesn't need to dig much in its earnings to pay its shareholders. Even after paying its shareholders, the company has still money that can be used to invest or pay debt. Dividend growth streak, 0 years. What I find attractive in this stock is its current valuation. Indeed, it is at its 52-week low right now. So it can be a good opportunity to grab some shares now. According to analysts, the stock could reach $11, which represents an upside potential of 29%. Stock 2, TPG Real Estate Finance Trust. Dividend yield, 15.64%. Dividend safety, 40. Dividend growth, 6% per year in the last 5 years. The payout ratio is too high at 200%. Dividend growth streak, 1 year. According to analysts, the stock could reach $7.60, which represents an upside potential of 24%. Stock 3, Brandywine Realty. Dividend yield, 15.08%. Dividend safety, 40. Dividend growth, 3% per year in the last 5 years. Payout ratio, 86%, which is pretty high but not excessive. Dividend growth streak, 0 years. This stock has a whopping upside potential of 41% according to the analysts. Combined with its dividend yield of 15%, I think this stock needs to be researched further because the rewards look big. According to analysts, the stock could reach $5.60, which represents a huge upside potential of 41%. Our fourth stock is one of my favorite, that is Sachem Capital. Dividend yield, 15.12%. Dividend safety, 30. This stock has a dividend growth rate of 7% per year in the last 5 years, which is pretty awesome. Even though the 119% payout ratio is high, it is poised to decrease. Dividend growth streak, 3 years. The stock doesn't look overvalued right now. It looks even cheaper when compared to its peers. Stock 5, KKR Real Estate. Dividend yield, 15.28%. Dividend safety, 40. Dividend growth, 12% per year in the last 5 years. Payout ratio, 100%. Dividend growth streak, 5 years. The stock has a strong buy rating and a target stock price that is 18% higher than its current price according to the analysts. Our sixth stock is my favorite in this list. I'm talking about NextEra Energy. First, the stock has a very nice dividend yield of 15.15%. Second, the dividend is considered quite safe. Third, the company has increased its dividend by 15% per year in the last 5 years, which is amazing. The icing on the cake is that the payout ratio is low, only at 48%. Dividend growth streak, 8 years. If you're not convinced yet, look at the analysts' appreciation of the stock. They estimate a price target at around $44, which is 94% higher than the current price. Please, have a closer look at it and tell me in the comments your thoughts about it. Stock 7, Triple Point Venture Growth BDC Corporation. Dividend yield, 16%. Dividend safety, 31. Dividend growth, 0% per year in the last 5 years. Payout ratio, 71%. Dividend growth streak, 8 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $10, which represents an upside potential of 4%. Stock 8, MFA Financial. Dividend yield, 16.02%. Dividend safety, 40. Dividend growth, minus 12%. Payout ratio, 102%. Dividend growth streak, 0 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $12, which represents a huge upside potential of 41%. Stock 9, AGNC. Dividend yield, 16.13%. Dividend safety, 23. Dividend growth, -8% per year in the last 5 years. Payout ratio, 49%. Dividend growth streak, 1 year. According to analysts, the stock could reach $10, which represents an upside potential of 20%. Stock 10, Armor Residential. Dividend yield, 25.5%. Dividend safety, 21. Dividend growth, -9% per year in the last 5 years. Payout ratio, 94%. Dividend growth streak, 0 year. The stock is now trading at its 52-week low. So it could be a good time to grasp some shares now. Stock 11, Icon Enterprises LP. Dividend yield, 21%. Dividend safety, 35. Dividend growth, 6% per year in the last 5 years. Payout ratio, 300%. Please beware that this ratio is too high and doesn't reflect any healthy financial situation. Dividend growth streak, 0 year. According to analysts, the stock could reach $27, which represents an upside potential of 43%. This is it. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. Don't forget to make your own due diligence before investing. I hope the list helps add some companies to your watch list and maybe portfolio. Please push the like button if you like the video and subscribe to the channel for similar content. I'll see you next time.